Adore. Meaning. Adore means to regard someone or something with deep love and affection. It often suggests a strong admiration or fondness. Definition. Adore is a verb that means to love and respect someone or something with great intensity, often implying a sense of admiration and reverence. Examples in sentences. 1. She adores her grandmother and spends a lot of time with her. Here, adore means she loves her grandmother deeply and cherishes their time together. 2. I absolutely adore the new painting in the gallery. In this sentence, adore refers to a strong admiration for the artwork. Usage. Adore is used when someone feels deep affection or admiration for a person, thing, or activity. It can also express great fondness for something that brings joy or satisfaction.
English practice.